Hi everybody, this is Con on the road. So CIMB Bank just launched a new system that effectively approves your car loans in just 1 minute. That's right, 1 minute. So what happens is you will, through this system, you provide your details, some details of yours. Sign some. I think you declare some of what you provide some employment details and all that, and then you hand over your IC, from which they'll put into a reader. The reader will scan your IC, and after which you will given a machine. You have to sign on that machine. It's like an electronic, those little machines that you sign on it electronically. Yeah, you sign on the screen, and after that you put your IC in again, and voila, if everything checks out, 1 minute you get your car loan approved. 1 minute. So isn't this a little, you may ask, isn't this a little dubious? Isn't this a little bit like, hey, shit, how do you approve lending people money, okay, to the sum of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of ringgit? How do you make that kind of decision in just 1 minute? So the answer that I've been given, okay, is that now first when you put your IC into that machine, there's that process which I mentioned. You have to sign on that screen. Now that step of the process, you are actually signing to give your consent to CIMB to access your credit information. So your CCRIS, your CTOS, your EPF, through your IC, the system is able to access all this information, evaluate your credit history, and make a decision whether or not to lend you the money. So where the legitimacy of the process is concerned, they tell me that, basically you are just going through the same procedures as it would have been in a manual process. It's just that the whole thing is automated and it takes only 1 minute. Yeah, so that really is the gist of it. And I would say that as with any product, there is good and bad in it. Firstly, the timing of this launch is fantastic, because they launch it today, 31st May, tomorrow, 1st June, GST 0. So, and as we all know, 1st September, SST will be coming into the picture. So in these 3 months, June, July, August, yeah, everybody who is already in the mindset of buying cars, or toying with the idea, everybody will be rushing to buy cars. There will be a surge in car buyers, and this new product from CIMB, where timing is concerned, is perfectly timed to capture this surge of buyers. At this point in time, this 1 minute InstaApproval loan is only available if you buy your car from a selected panel of dealers, okay, which I'm listing in the description section below. Okay, I remember off the top of my head, there was Toyota, there was Honda, there was Nissan, there was Proton, there was Perodua, there was Mercedes-Benz through Cycle Carriage. But I think BMW through Ingress Auto is in the picture there. But yeah, complete list I'm providing in the description section. Check that out. And yeah, so, and also I think there are some used car dealers in the picture as well. So at this moment in time, this process, this loan, okay, is only available, you can only apply for this loan through dealers. You cannot, if for example, if you are buying a used car from a private owner, you cannot walk into a CIMB bank and get an instant, this instant 1 minute loan deal. It is not offered at this moment in time. Then what about interest rate and loan tenure? Well, through this system, you still get the same interest rates and offers as you would get going through the standard loan procedure.
Turn right on Jalan Sultan Abdul Samad.
Okay, but one thing about this InstaApproval loan package is that at this moment in time, because it requires it looks into your CTOS, it looks into your CCRIS, it also looks into your EPF records. At this point in time, this loan approval is only available for people with a steady salary. So if you are a wage earner, then
Turn right on
you're
Jalan
on
Sultan Abdul Samad.
if you are a wage earner, you earn a fixed salary, yeah, you are eligible to apply through this your car loan through this. But if you are, if you are a business owner, you're self-employed, you don't have a you don't have a fixed income, you don't have your EPF contributions,
In
double it.
300 meters.
Cannot. Okay, so with this product, right, CIMB has gained a significant competitive advantage over its rivals by being faster off the blocks in its approval process. From what I understand, they already have such a this 1 minute approval thing on offer for housing loans. Now they are rolling it out for car loans. Okay, so usually when people buy a house or buy a car, they will be submitting applications to several banks, and then they will just pick the bank that offers them the best interest rate. So CIMB gains the competitive advantage by offering consumer, here is your loan, do you want or not? Take it. Whereas the other banks are still processing. Of course, being a savvy consumer, you should also always be shop smartly. Don't immediately sign on the dotted line without evaluating other offers as well. Yeah. So I mean, even if there's a deadline on that offer, wait till the end of that date. Wait till you're nearing the end of that deadline before you say, okay, I'm taking up this loan, because maybe another bank is there also offering you a better interest rate. You do not know, or maybe there isn't. The bottom line is you should examine all your options before committing to your purchase, before you commit to your loan. So this 3 months will be a fabulous time to shop for a new car. Yeah, the banks know this, the dealers know this. All of them will be competing. There will be a big appetite for car buying these few months. So go out there, happy shopping, bargain hard, get the best deal for yourself. Okay, and most importantly, don't be pressured to buy unless you are absolutely comfortable with the purchase. Yeah. Happy shopping. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.